Okay, welcome to the video tutorial for SampsonSeating. So the first thing you want to do is find a space in your personal drive where you want to put it, and find SampsonSeating on the T drive. Now I'm at home, I'm not at college at the moment, so this is not the T drive. So in order, you find SampsonSeating here, you find the folder, right click copy and right click paste, and that will move SampsonSeating into a place that you can actually use it. Okay, we'll wait for that just to finish. Okay, open up the folder, double click on it. Now what you will see is something that looks like this to start off with. You need to either scroll down to try and find the application, which will look like that, or if you click date modified, it should be somewhere near the top. Okay, so that's what you want to use. Every time you want to open it, just double click on that, it'll open this, and there you go. Okay, so maximize it. Now to add new desks, you just click add desk, and then you can drag it around, put it wherever you want. Okay, so I'll just add 3 or 4. You can move them wherever you want. This is probably the most time consuming bit, actually designing your classroom layout. Okay, so say I'm quite happy with this layout. Now I should say each desk is assigned to one student. So if I have a normal size desk, obviously sits 2 students, I have to fit them next to each other like that. Okay, now say that's my room layout. I'm going to save that now before I do anything else. So save classroom layout, and we'll call it 001. Okay, save. So that is now saved. Let's prove it. So to close it, reopen it. In fact, you can even see it there. We'll load our classroom layout 001, and there we go, it loads it. Okay, the next thing we want to do is obviously to add some students. Or if we want to delete a table, we can just click delete table. It will delete the last table that we added. Okay, delete table, add table. There we go. Right, let's manage our students. Now this is much quicker if you have a spreadsheet from Sims. So say this is roughly the kind of thing I'm going to get from Sims. Obviously there's no real data here. So I've got a list of names here, surname, comma, first name. So let's copy those. So Control C, click, make sure that it's highlighted here, make sure the cursor is blinking, Control V, and that puts in the student names. Okay, click update students, and you can say it puts them in. You can see it puts them all in randomly. Okay, we could change this by clicking random seating, and it will move them around. We can also drag, if we wanted, say John to go over there, we could put him there if we wanted to. Now we could save our seating plan if we wanted. We could save it. I'll save it as 7x1. Okay, so say this is 7x1 with 3 students. That's them done. Save. Okay, or we could add some student details. Okay, so again we've got spaces for PP, SEN, medical, attainment, or EAL. If we look at the spreadsheet, PP, so I'll just make sure I copy that entire column. So Control C, highlight the whole column, Control C, and then click, make sure that the cursor is blinking at the top, Control V, and make sure it lines up. So John, PP, white, good. SEN will do the same. So highlight the area that you want, Control C, and there we go, make sure it lines up. So Jane is SEN status K. Okay, it is important that you get the SEN status there. Medical, okay, cursor's at the top, we'll highlight what we want. Okay, go to the top, Control V, there we go. Attainment, I've got this in a different order here, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and then there we go, and EAL, Control C, cursor at the top, Control V. Right, click update details. Now you can see that hasn't done anything to what we can see. That's because we're in student view. So we need to click teacher view in order to see. So you can see the SEN status, that there is a medical need. It doesn't tell you any more information than that. You do then have to look that up on Sims. You can see that EAL and lots of different colours. Okay, so obviously we can click random seating. We can assign them to whatever seats we want, and then before we show it to students, we just click student view, so they can only see this view. Now to save it, you save it as normal, click save seating plan. We saved it as 7x1, I believe, so we save it as 7x1. We'll just prove that that loads everything again. So open it up again, you can see it there. Okay, maximize that, load seating plan 7x1. Okay, and there you go, all the information is there. Now say we had a student that joins the class, let's call him Graham Alistair. Right, so update. Now that will put Alistair somewhere into the classroom. Okay, we can then add student details. Notice that all the fields areas we left blank before, there's a no in there now, so we just need to add in, make sure it's across, so PP, yeah, he is PP. SEN status, no. Medical, no. Attainment, he's a lower attainer. And EAL, yes, he's EAL. Click update and teach view, and there you go. There is one little thing I should mention. Say Alistair joins and he says, actually I don't want to be called Alistair, I prefer to be called Ali. So once you've done that, it will put him back to the center. You'll have to add in the details again, okay, because you've changed the name, it's loading it as a different student. That is one thing you need to be aware of. Okay, let me know if you find any bugs, and I hope this makes things easier for you. Thank you for watching.